Hello anyone, I had to show you that the following message that I'm about to announce for sale all of my YouTube channel. Anyone, including half of my YouTube channel visits about Indesit wash machine Win101. I will tell you now about Indesit Win101 washing machine. Indesit Win101 washing machine got the software broken for no reason. I'm not joking with you. It's a real one. My parents were telling me that Indesit washing machine Win101 got the software broken. So she got the book because of water problem, resulting to get that Indesit broken. I'm not joking with you. It was a real one. So yeah, I'm in my sister's room, room. So it's a real one. So since the Indesit Win101 wash machine got the software working, but from the water problem, it's not working. That's why it's broken. Let's see. By the water problem. So she was a joke. I mean, I'm not joking. She was working by the water problem. So watch that. So watch the new washing machine is alive. My parents could be. So that's all it for my announcement. Goodbye. See all of washing machine Indesit Win101. I will say once the Indesit washing machine Win101 is in the revive, has a revive at my house. Goodbye.